Hey guys, Max here. Today we are in American Truck nighttime by the way. Some people they understand that it's supposed to be nighttime. Episode 1 of the season number 2. We are ready for this. Oh my god, look at this thing tearing it up already. Chill, man, chill. It's not real life, you don't need to be so aggressive. Do we want the front end? Nah. Why would we want the front on? Yeah, we do actually. Bro's flexing on the poor little Tesla over there. Leave the poor Tesla alone. Oh, look at this little short guy. This guy's kind of short. Lumber rack? Yep, we do need a lumber rack. This trailer. Toolbox. I can't see anything. Utility trailer? Nope. Welder? Yes, we do need that. We don't need wherever that is. Can we push something on the lumber rack, please? Why is the lumber rack just sitting there? Whatever, let's do this. And then obviously I got our favorite. If you watch Gray Still Plays, this is instantly your favorite vehicle. The Sharp! It never wins any challenges, except for recently it has won 3, so we had to bring it to the American Truck Night. Here we go, let's start with the Sharp. Bro's not gonna slow down for no one. It goes a measly 25 miles per hour. This thing has negative suspension. This thing doesn't have suspension, alright? It actually doesn't. I'm not joking. It literally does not have any suspension. It technically is the suspension. Ouch! Lesson learned. Don't do that. Mr. Sharp, do you know what you're doing? Or is this your first day owning the Sharp? Oh, you don't? Why would you bring it here then? Mr. Sharp, do you know what you're doing? Let's put in climb mode, baby. Guys, I don't think the Sharp can make it up these stairs. Maybe this should be episode 1. Maybe this is the hardest map. Oh, he did it! He did the impossible. Here we go. At a measly 1 mile per hour. Uh-oh. He's going on the vlog. Guys, his engine gave up. Not only did the engine give up, he also gave up too. Guys, we are currently holding air. In his POV, apparently he is controlling it with gloves because he is holding air. Oh, he's taking a vehicle with him. Guys, the Sherp has broke his engine by touching a truck because it is a very fragile truck. Next up, we have the Tesla, which is very quiet. It says ball proof. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. Is that supposed to be a joke about how when he threw a ball at it, it exploded? By some miracle, it was able to hit a wheelie and get over the first stairs. This fast little bugger. They may not know what challenge he came to because they can't see clearly. But I mean, he's doing it. Oh, he's helping the Sherpa out. Or not, because he doesn't know what he's doing. Look at all the points you can grab onto. Holy snap. He's leaving the poor Sherp behind because he forgot his toolkit. He forgot his repair box. Look at the Firewatch towers. That's where you hide from Siren Head at. Probably the funnest thing you could possibly ever think of is Siren Head. I'm not even gonna lie. If you have a game, if you have a Firewatch tower, and if you have a Siren Head, you instantly have the funnest time on earth. Everyone knows that one game, Do You Copy? Imagine Do You Copy, but a Siren Head version. Imagine how much fun you could have. The fun level is infinite. Literally, you can't out fun that. Guys, because the Tesla can't see, he has gotten himself stuck. Oh, he did it! He found a way around it. Even though he doesn't have any eyes, he found a way around it. Oh, now he's just gonna jump the rocks because he knows he can't get over them. Instead, he's gonna jump them. He does not have fancy suspension like the Humvee we seen in the last season. Oh, is he the first vehicle to attempt? He's the first vehicle to fit on these. Now, would he have rather go in the water and set on fire for 3 days? Probably not. Oh, no way, he did it. Guys, he did it. No way. He's going over the logs. He's going over 2 sets of logs at once. Guys, he's gonna get himself stuck. Uh-oh. Mr. Tesla Man, you gotta do this right, man. Yeah, that's how you do it. Go over the log sideways, man. You have to go over them sideways. Gotta go over them sideways, man. Oh? What are you doing, Mr. Tesla? Yeah! Elon Musk armored car. Man, do we wish this is what the military needs. Imagine how below the radar they could go. Next contestant. Maybe the next one will have his toolkit so he can help out his friend. It's the next. Oh yeah, this one has the toolkit. Guys, this is gonna be the season 2 version of Mr. Wagoneer. If you guys watch season 2, you know who Mr. Wagoneer is. Oh my God, look at him tear it up. Uh-oh. He hit a log. Oh. Guys, don't worry, his truck is not working today. You guys can't even hear the gunshots. His truck is so powerful you can't even hear the gunshots. He's gonna park off to the side. He's such a generous person. He'll wait. He's gonna sit in his car and watch YouTube shorts while he waits for the other people to get to the end. That way he knows he doesn't have to pull anyone else out. He doesn't want to have to come back to help anyone. Mr. Sherp let us down. Mr. Sherp has 0 HP basically. Mr. Sherp is the skeleton, I guess. When Gray still plays, uses him, he has infinite HP. When we use him, he's got only 300. Only 300, guys. He can just barely tap the water. Look at that. He taps the water and he gets cooked. The one thing he's supposed to be good at. You guys seeing this? Come on, Mr. Sherp. Come on, Mr. Sherp, you can do it. You only hold 80 fuels. You only hold 80 fuel, and you only have 300 HP, man. You gotta do better than that, Mr. Sherp. Yeah, Mr. Sherp's doing it. Mr. Sherp! Stop destroying your truck! The next contestant's gonna go to the end because the other guy's still watching YouTube shorts. No way! These dudes doing way more work than Mr. Wagon here. These dudes gotta go backwards. These dudes gotta go backwards. Mr. Wagoneer never had to go backwards. This guy barely made it off his starting line. His coach was getting his truck yesterday like, oh my god, who is this kid? Who gave the 8-year-old a license? Come on, man. He's not even gonna be nice about it. He's just gonna ram you onto your wheels. He's gonna weld up your truck a little bit, and moving on. He does not care, man. He is not happy he had to come back. Come on, man. Yeah, watch those tires. Don't worry, guys. He's Mr. Wagoneer 2.0. He's gonna find a way up that hill. And this time he's gonna use the hill as a watchtower. He's just gonna sit up here and make sure no one's getting stuck, because clearly he can't trust anyone. Even Mr. Wagoneer didn't have to save this many people. This is episode 1 and he's already had to save everyone twice. He had to save the shirt twice and he already had to save Mr. Big Truck back here once. This is insane, man. Mr. Big Truck. Mr. Big Truck here couldn't stay on his wheels. We gotta call him by his first name. The Cat Eye. Mr. Cat Eye couldn't even stay on his wheels for the first part. Who's Mr. Cat Eye, man? Come on, Mr. Cat Eye. Don't flip over, Mr. Cat Eye. If you flip over in front of him, he's not gonna be happy. At this point, he's gonna think you're teasing him. If you flip over right next to him, he's gonna think you're teasing him. Guys, he says he's gonna send it. He says he's gonna send it. He's sending it, guys. He's sending it. Oh my god, guys. He's really sending it. Oh my god, guys. Oh, guys, is he gonna help out the Sherp? Nope. Bro is not generous. Psych! He's helping out the Sherp. If he's gonna get helped out, he might as well help out a friend. He knows he has no right not to help him out after getting helped out once. Bro flipped his truck right off the finish line. He already owes someone else to help out. Oh, bro has some guts. Oh. Can he even get on the boards? No, his wheels are too thin. He can't get on those boards. He's going around instead, just like everyone else. Let's go. Actually, no. Mr. Tesla Cybertruck was nice and fancy. He didn't want to get his wheels wet. Is it just me, or did the engine just get 10 times quieter? Guys, is his engine broken? Guys, I think his engine's broken. It instantly got 10 times quieter. I don't know what he did, but it's so much quieter. Guys, he spun out and he stalled his engine. This dude is too funny to be on our show. Oh, they're gonna start parking side by side now. Oh. Let's see. What does the hood do? Ooh, fancy. Roseman, fancy. Is that a turbo? I still don't know. Because I'm an idiot. Yes, I'm an idiot. I don't know anything about cars. I am almost 100% sure that is a turbo. Why do I not know what that specific part of the car is? I know a lot about cars. How come I can't remember what a turbo looks like? I mean, I remember what a certain type of turbo looks like, but I can't remember if that's a turbo or not. Like, guys, is that a turbo? Someone tell me in the comments, is that a turbo? Here we go, guys. Here we go. Up the hill, up the hill. Yeah. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Mr. Sherp, this is so disappointing. How? Mr. Sherp, the one thing you're supposed to be good at is being in the water, man. What are you doing? Why are you not just demolishing the competition, man? You should be going through that water like a fish. You should be swimming through that water. What are you doing, man? What is this? Is this even a Sherp or is this a derp? This is a derp Sherp, man. This ain't no Sherp. This is the derp Sherp. Bro brought the Sherp's cousin, the derp Sherp. Look at that, man. Has no HP. Man, go get your cousin. Go get the real Sherp. We want the real Sherp back. GTA showed us this is not what the real Sherp is like. The real Sherp is armored. It has HP. It doesn't only have 300 HP. Also, it can float in water, unlike you. Guys, he can barely keep it under control. He has wrecked the Sherp. Well, the Sherp's cousin. You cannot even call this thing a Sherp. The truck's gonna help him out. He just has enough. He just has enough to help him out. And finally, the Banks 2016 Ford finally go at it. He can finally get to the end. After watching like 4 hours of YouTube shorts, he can finally do his job. This dude might as well apply to be the mechanic after this show. Like this dude might as well be the mega mechanic. The unbreakable mechanic. Not the unkillable medic. No. The unbreakable medic. Unbreakable. Sorry guys, I am having a seizure today. Ignore my words. I meant to say the unbreakable mechanic. Not the unkillable medic. No, the unbreakable mechanic. Sorry guys, I'm so used to saying unkillable medic because of that's one of my nicknames in some of my other meetings. But clearly that didn't go too well. Oh, he's going, guys. Give me a second. Oh, is he gonna go for it, guys? Is he gonna try to flex on the Tesla Cybertruck? Oh, you know he is. Just barely got off on time. Oh, he's hitting a jump. He's jumping it. Oh, he got stuck. He does not care. He's going for it. And he got stuck. His front bumper's too big. Oh no, does he need a rescue now? Guys, he has gotten himself stuck in some weird spot before, but this is a new one. Aren't you going anywhere? Guys, I think he has full permission to ask for help from the cat eye. This dude's not even gonna put his hood down. Guys, he's really stuck. Oh, he's gonna do a flip. Oh, the big truck can't get him out. Big truck's trying. Oh, over he goes. Look at him dig his way into the ground. Guys, he's trying, man. He's trying, guys. Oh, he's gonna pull him hard. Yeah! Guys, this new crew is insane. Come on, guys. Pull it together. Literally. Guys, he did it. He helped his friend out, and he made it to the end. This crew was so much worse than the last crew. Oh! What was that? Bro, he's flexing on us. He's flexing on the others. He thinks just because he helped the guy that helped everyone out, he thinks he's the best. Bro thinks he's best just because he helped the helper out. Oh, he just had to flex on everyone. Mr. Helper's gonna jump around and go, look at that! Mr. Helper ain't taking that flexing, he's flexing himself. He cannot flop up his hood, but it does not matter. Look at that smoke coming out the back as he revs it in. We'll see you guys in episode 2 in 2 hours. Peace.